Hello coders, I'll be showing you a way in Excel in which you can convert minutes to hour, gram to kilogram and pound and vice versa. In a similar way centimeter to meter, inches and likewise miles to kilometer and something like that. So it's not that internet is being available to your internet is not available to you all the time, so you can use Excel offline to find all these results. We will be using a function known as convert. So equal to convert. This function takes in, not concatenate, sorry, equal to convert. This will be taking in this minute, and first of all we need to mention that what is the thing which it is fetching from. A2 is having what? A2 is having within quotation minute, and it is converting it to hours, so HR. So bracket close, no sorry, inverted comma close and bracket close, enter. So 193 means 3 hour 21 minutes roughly. So that's 42 minutes means 0 0.7. Make some changes. So 97, 60 means 1 hour and 30 means 1.5. So 60 plus 30 means 90. Let's make it 90. So see 1.5, it is working properly. In a similar way, we'll be convert, and we'll be having this gram. So what is the D2? D2 is holding what kind of value? So see in the suggestion there are lots of things being shown. So for gram we write G, and we are converting it to kilogram. That means kg. No, there is nothing such as kg. Let's close it. No, kg is gram. Kg is not showing in the suggestion. There is ton. Anyways, let's close the bracket and see what happens. 0.93. So 1 kilogram means 1000 gram. So make this 1000. Yeah, it's working properly. So for kilogram we will be using 1, and for pound we will be using equal to convert. So we need to say that kilogram, this is in kg, so kg, and we will be converting it to lbm for pound. Press tab, close the braces and press enter. Now what we'll be doing is that we'll be selecting these two cell and control shift down arrow. No, that's not the proper way. So let's press again control up arrow, and let's select these two cell, control down. No, it's still not working. So control up, let's select it manually, and to convert it we can simply use control D to copy the formula. So that's the conversion. Now for centimeter to inches in a similar way, equal to convert, we need to take in this value centimeter, and it is in which unit? So cm. So there is nothing such as cm. So for centimeter it is cm. I think it should work. And for meter it would be m, within quotation m. Let's close the bracket and press enter. So 193 centimeter means 1.93 meter, and for inches we will be doing in a similar way, equal to convert. We will be taking in this value, and it is in meter, that means m, and we will be converting it to inches, that means this particular section I inch. Bracket close, press enter. Again for kilometer, miles to kilometer equal to convert, and we'll be taking in this number miles, and we'll be having miles. So miles is in mi, quotation close, and we'll be converting into kilometer, that means km. Close the braces, bracket close, enter. So 193 miles mean 310.603 kilometer. So let's select these cells, and while pressing and holding down control key, let's select this cell range as well to complete my data set. Press Ctrl D from the keyboard. So in this particular Excel video, I have demonstrated the use of convert function. What you need to Google or what you need to remember is that what are the shortcut for the, for kilometer it is km, for miles it is mi, then for pound it is lbm. You need to remember the short form for the units. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you guys and happy coding.